Alright, hey there, wanted to make a quick video for you. If you are locked out of your garage, you've got an external keypad like this and it's unresponsive, hopefully this video can help you. We got a quick and easy fix. Of course, there can be many things wrong, but it could just be the battery. So read the instruction manual, look for how to change the battery in your external keypad. Mine just has a little piece of plastic that slides right off, and a couple of AAAs will do the trick. Yes, these do run out of batteries. That's why they require batteries, right? By the way, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video if you think somebody you know might benefit from it. Thank you. And let's put these new batteries back in. We've got fresh AAA batteries here. Make sure they're oriented in the correct way. And we'll slide the cap back on. Works better with two hands. There we go. And we'll try out the code. Yeah, I'm going to hide that from you. I'm not telling you my garage code. Let's check it out. Voila, we are operational again. So it might be just batteries. So definitely try that first if you're having problems. If that doesn't work, you got something else going on. Alright, hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks so much.